TV uboroso bw'umugusi. Mwancho murigereria Bwensoko TV ensa AMO ya butukire ya bono butuko kurwa sobo gatagati bomocho Nairobi asense ya Kenya goika wandonsi asogo tubwaterera kurwa obo no butuko bwo 13 asomutinyiga okianda mwako igabwechiri bubere 25 nchenkuru kwa Clinton ndigi no gusaba kwa nenge Jumamosi yago ritukerigaria sabato ryanyara ko bari gokoira senchire rengia na bego kwa bere gokogendera kwegokya nemiroberio yagendraira sembeo Yensoko TV kurubwaga kite goikira chinga kechiga bono kwarigania na gusaba ikaransoike tunyara ko batogo sanga asemesa yamaye kuru ensoko ense yemo tukubwara kumanya nara ryaiga habari kibaito bamangana bayasakire kuru asemambi yarenge ntambe kwenekia bunanto chiko kumanya asenchira ere engia mwancho murigera ase omogoko butuko naboigo engana ya bene neria ere yengencho ocha sorenga omumenyi bwe county ya Kisii hasentude ntangani kigima egitaseni kiago Yensoko TV ya soire asembeo na bali bago tubwatire kuru ase chinsemecho county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira chinsemo chiyetanaine gendera kubwatiria emiroberio heyiga kurwa egitaseni kiago Yensoko TV na nemono emesa yamaya ensa AMO hasiri baga ya bali bakombwata se kuru ase studio ya kabiri na bwe mega yechi kamera kwene kyabuna somoroberio iga marigine chibicha nachiko gochira senchire rengia to wasaboike oikaransobe na intwe kurbono oikomwere. Mwancho murigeria karibu sana nyerobo hamaya kuru Ensoko naboko yabwaterera gwetera se mitandao yaito ya Facebook na YouTube. Bono toko chaka roboti asobo tukobwarera kerori tukeri morioka maiga yo mojumbe webunge ya Kitutu Chache North Mheshimiwa Japhet Nyakundi hama no mojumbe webunge ya Kitutu Chache South Mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi goyeta na chinkwana na koleta esegia samatanga ayamo ni gobono hegati abamenye kuru ase bunge yo ya Kitutu Chache North beso kire na kumwegero mojumbe bo asebono vasa biranya ko baga koegwa ribagari gwikirania magendro bago kwana imeye kenyoro kya Nyangoto ni gobona abamenye abo batebire buna omojumbe bo na bwendete gosikwa ase ebunge yabo hase ngencho wabakoreire emirimo ekorokana
na atukufurahishwa na tunaenda kusema na kuungana na wenzetu kusema kwamba lile chamba ambalo lilifanyika jana hatulitaki tena. Kwa mheshimiwa mwenzetu anaitwa Japhet Nyakundi tumefurahishwa na yale mambo ambayo amefanya, kama vile tumepata basari katika shule zetu, alafu mabarabara zimetengenezwa na vitu ambazo amefanya hapo ni mingi sana.
Bae ni Kibagendi alileta siasa ambayo ilikuwa mzuri na alialipu maneno ambayo ilikuwa inafanyika. Sasa sisi mheshimiwa wetu Japhet tunampenda sababu ametufanyia mazuri, ametengeneza mabarabara. Na mheshimiwa wetu ana maono mingi sana. Mheshimiwa anasema ana maono ya kutufanyia mengi kwenda mbele. Sasa sisi wacha tupe mheshimiwa nguvu na nguvu yake bado tuko nayo.
Niona vibaya sana kwa ile matanga. Ile kitu lilifanyika huko sio mzuri. Japhet ni mtu mzuri. Msaada kwa
Sisi kama wananchi hatukupendezwa jana, kwa sababu kiongozi wetu amefanya kazi mzuri. Hatukuwa na mabarabara yetu ilikuwa imefungwa, hatukuwa tumepata mahali pa kupitia. Ametuwekea ramu. Saa hii watu wakitoka hata kwa barabara, wengine wakiingia katika manyumba yao wanakanyaga tu, hata wanafika katika nyumba zao.
Tuahidi ya kwamba ni mambo mengi atatufanyia. Kwa hivyo wenzetu tungependa kumrudisha kwa tamu zingine 2. Rais wetu ambaye anaitwa Ruto, mambo ambayo ametufanyia ni mengi, si hivyo? Tunataka arudi tena kwa muda mgapi?
Mwancho murigeria togotigana na yo togosuka bosibo na sebyombe biribitenrete obwagachi bwechipara ekiombe kirigia kenha na kirigia kura nigo tikoria rero bakoreta aro imeye county ya Kisii erigo chakia emeroberio yobwagachi bwechipara ekero chibesa chia bwatokirwe ne wizara yechipara bagokwana ime yegetikia Gusii Stadium mo director bwekiombe kirigia kura engineer Silas Kinoti abego mo director general engineer Lucas Meli kurwa sekiombe kirigia kura nigo bono batebire emeroberio babekire erigo chikokeania obunge hime ye taoni ya Kisii. Mugavana Paul Simbarati niga atebire buna chi project cy'ubwagachi chipara echo nigo kirakigo cyakiwa asama tukabwangwe.
Quickly come up with the designs especially for that flyover. We want to shame the devil because they are talking of a lot of things around. Oh, it's just a promise. We want to make it a reality. And I'm happy that the top most leadership of the ministry, they are here. Therefore, for our people, we're going to work. We will continue going to State House if there is more work to be done. If there is more money, we'll go. Because finally you'll ask us, what did you do when others were getting into all these projects? I know it's not easy. Everything takes longer than we expect. But we will be there at the right time. We have realized that there is good work to be done. Therefore, I want to thank the two DGs for joining with us. Hopefully, we'll be able to realize this dream soon than later.
What leadership from this place went to see the president on Thursday, and the president gave a promise to do some infrastructure roads around this area, and give instructions to our CS, Cabinet Secretary David Chirichiri, on what to do. For us, Kura, we are working here in Kisii. We are doing our maintenance of roads and other roads. We are now adding an additional 5 kilometers. We have seen part of the roads as the governor has seen. And don't tell the governor, the dream is a reality now. For us, we have been instructed to come down here, scope the works, do the designs. We take back to our CS. We are going to be funded and start work. So we are hoping that in the next couple of months, you will start doing those works where we have identified. So it's a promise that what the president has said is going to be done. It's going to be done. It's already a directive from the president, and we have no option but to do it.
This is a directive from the president that we need to sort out the congestion within this town. So tumekuja hapa siku ya leo tuangalie wenyewe. Tuangalie so that tukiwa Nairobi tayari tuko na ile picha ambayo tunafaa kufanya ili tusuluhishe mambo ya congestion kwa hii town. Hii shida ya Kisii town tutasuluhisha. We have seen and we will get a solution for the problems around here. That is why the whole team from this region, Nyanza region, who work with Kera, Kura and Kena here, wote wako hapa. So atuongee tu mambo ya kuongea, hii ni kazi tunaenda kufanya.
Wancho murigaria togotigana nayo yamagendo nobugachi wechipara toso asechisemi bono haso omorogoba usogotukubugukira hitkoria rero nigo aborokiwa Beskuru ye secondary ya Nyakiore hiyo kutoka ase ward ya Bonyamatuta ebunge West Mugirango ase county ya Nyamira bakoreto kurobekana kuri ase skuru yo ikasama gacho amanene yechisemi me ye county yo na kwemurunganiria okunganyirwa ko mwarimu monene bwe skuru yo Bruce Kirage nonya nigo ikabono batebire bose barurugo saba gwekyase kiombe kerigetenrete okorika kwa bari mu ya TSC koene kyabuna nkomoira nikere omwarimu oyo omonene oyo beire kagokora buya samatem AKCSE goika kobe skuru entangani ensemo yo komenta omukya omwaka wechirupere 2024.
Mimi ni mwanafunzi kutoka Nyakiore Secondary School, niko form 4. Sisi kitu tunataka warudishe principal wetu, atufanyishe exam alafu aende watu siaribie exam. Hiyo ndio tunataka, principal arudi.
Ivy Kemto from Nyakiore Secondary School, and we are here with my fellow students, and we have one request to the government. Firstly, we want our principal Bruce Kerage to come back to school.
Mimi naitwa Dida kutoka Nyakiore Secondary School. In fact, principal Mr. Kerage ametoa Nyakiore mbali. Tukikuja kwa performance, hakuna performance zenye ilikuwa before akuje. Vile alikuja kuna performance, alafu ni mzee anaelewa, ni mtu anaelewa. Hata ukimwambia una school fees, mzazi alikuja na ugea analia huko alafu anasikiza. Sasa alafu anasema itaenda, anaenda wapi?
Principal and to the people in charge, we are pleading to you so that we take that request.
Yes!
Please bring our principal.
Yes!
Without him not going back to school.
Put his life.
Yes!
Tumefika huko kwa road, wamechukua prince wetu, hatuwezi acha iende hivyo rahisi. Tunamwendea hadi kisi. Anakutambua. Sisi ni Nyakiore. Wewe. Siku zote nisikia hata kelele bana.
Tugoska bosio mwancho morigereria haborokia gwetania chiribu 50 mbache gokinigwa ebirogo kera omwaka ayankorengana no muraibu ense ya Kenya Moscow ya Muruto kagukwana asegi karokia kiosegi karokia ariganirwa ase nyumba yoboraibu ense aigaso mocho Nairobi. Ruto nigo abona tebe getambo kirekyo nigo kigo chia koine kia chisemingo tingwa chira se chinse mochonsi na nemono yogo chia koine kia buna ense ose yogo chia gotokobeka ensemo igatichi billion emo goika ibere elio goikirania omoroberio hoyo hege kareke kiane kiokero aborokia kuro chinsemo na bigo chiskuru baikirana asense meyo state ozomori kitoline tinyambane na report ura century wikirana
aborokia nigo barine kibako gokera maiga yomuraibu ense William Ruto koraria bene goche komenta chibese echichira chigokonya omoroberi bugukinia abirogo aborokia abo gokwana ase geikaro ekiabarigania aborokia ase nyumba yoboraibu ense omoraibu ense nigatebire getambo kirekyo nigo kegoche kwenekia esekta yechisemingo kinere nario ense erabasagaya.
Transforming education was not a political issue. Transforming education was deliberate because through education, whether you look at Korea, whether you look at Singapore, whether you look at Malaysia, intellectuals, the capacity for people to understand things, education was at the center of their own transformation. And that is why I took matters education seriously, because I knew that it is going to be part of the levers that we are going to use if we were to move Kenya to the first world.
Egeikaro gikiranwa no mokonyi bo muraibu ense Professor Kithure Kindiki no muwaziri bw'echisemi Julius Ogamba na boigo abaraibande nigo batumia chinga kiechyo gotogia abarimu ase merememi abagokora.
Those adults who have been to school do not remember the teaching methods that they were taught with and the techniques, but they remember the teachers who helped them become what they are today.
The importance of teachers in this country cannot be gainsaid. Each one of us has been shaped by these teachers. In my official duties that you graciously gave me, Your Excellency, I have interacted with these teachers, and I can state without any fear of contradiction that they are the most patriotic in this country.
Abaraiba borokia bo na barabo nigo bagokera omoraibu ense asokorwa bosemi obuya na boigo ase bamoroka koba omorokia omonene.
As teachers, when we went to college, one thing stood by us. No one taught like this man. And I must say here and now, without mincing an outer of word, Your Excellency, you're a perfect teacher.
are nayo nigo muraibu ense airari bagerio na kumwakere koko omokonyoye ase egasi engi ya gukora.
Huyu naibu wangu mnamuonaje? Ni noma si noma? Ni fire si fire? Unajua ukitaka kufaulu, ukitaka kufaulu unatafuta deputy amesoma kuliko wewe.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omochio Nairobi, erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Biamano murikito Linet Nyambane noroboti rwa senchira yobo ikero mwancho murigeria chidageka 15 na isato chia butokire igoro yensa AMO ya bono botuko toskare tokoro mukomo kega se studio ya kabere kurenga tora sege kagetari getambe na mange.
Eye Ensoko TV uboroso bumugusi nuganetie byome bitingu bitari kuboneka na kogota bwango ebyoma bikomenya asege kigetambe na gokobo korali ubya asemermo yao company ya Davis and Shutleaf nero munyangongo asika kimyaka 52 na kianda asobonia bwebyoma ao byobuye bwekerengo kya igoro aseriguriria nigo bakonia chimota chipambu chia mache ekyo gusyarire bimeria mache chigenerator chisola panel amone chimashine cyo gukenura mache boigo ngukunya bari bisima ngwagacha bari swimming pool na gugisibya ngoni bara malyogo yo gukenura mache asumo cyo busongo Davis and Shutleaf nigo bagutuka samaga cha Stage Plaza ayaligirinitiye negedesenya kanege Kigali asamange wakiresimi ase namba 0708 623645 gose 0206966877 gose 0206968172 gose 0206968324.
Abakuru nigo bakubinera iga akomoko akworokia samarwale igonaki omoko akangwani webiranye biruru ekagera akarangiria bagaka kugamba manganaye bakunywa mahua.
Nuga nikiskuru asomwana warakora ibya asamasomo n'ekigosori tegerera bono St George's Nyamira Academy nere skuru yao emerulito nige kugenda namaganio a CBE nguruturo bosombi uburaro nabuigo n'eki laboratory n'ebirasibito n'ebyekerero nigo tugutuka Nyamira County.
Anje Dr. Stanislaus Misati Inje director ya St George's Nyamira Academy. Saba ibuli nko bakarambya mwana wasaba no mu na turetera ande ko basaba mo byandira turetera abana kyagere school ye buyere tubate de laboratory tubate computer sciences library full good library na environment ya school ga na berengia asaba na baito bagoso
asamange twakiresimia se namba 0722734583 St George's Nyamira Academy. Strive to succeed.
kwarosire asa maigerio yomonwa atabwati ebikoro nogenetie kwagacha anki yao na maboko ao omonyene aiga Borabu Technical Training Institute nigo tokwegeria ebikoro amaigerio aito niga kogenda nokogania gwechiro nobumanyi bogwakana chikosi cheito ngamona mechanics electrical engineering ICT negati yechinde nigo togotoka imeyomocho kebirigo e county ya Nyamira asa mange twakere simi ase namba 0746211764 gose torikere email gwetera borabu@gmail.com Borabu Technical Institute, technical skills for development.
onye kubwateri iborio obosemia gusekero kendi gyonsigoro yemirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakere simi ase namba 0788666663 gose turikiriri uko email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service itego tukasamaga hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso w'omuguse mirna nabari b'ekinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kurutana nyecyense Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondegi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana maya. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu sana mwanjo murigeria mbiyama na soko gendera gusangana intwe na gutubwateria nensemo ya kabere ya mayakuru Ensoko ensa ayemo bano tugusikabosio na gukumanya buna umuraibu ikiama ya DCP musikeriga Gachagua negati ya babwatani bae haburi tukoria rero batwara hetaro yo gusangana bana inchi kurwa soro ngoro Mount Kenya nigo barokandre komochia umuraibu we serikali ya Kenya kwanza insi umuraibu ayo umuraibu ense umuske William Ruto asaba mochirege tambokero kyabwangoiga ikigati abana inchi babeire bakurangirwa sensemo ya State House na kubwatokirwa chibesa echobono batebire nigo chire echobukurumi.
Huyu William Ruto mkitaka aende nyumbani paka mumuweke mwanaume ambaye anaweza toa yeye. Na mkiangalia kwa hao watu wote, yule mtu wako na nguvu, yule mtu wako na muscles, yule mtu wako na akili ni huyu Rigathi Gachagua.
Unajua huyu Kasongo anafikiria ni mwerevu sana. Sasa amejua tuko na chama chetu cha GDCP. Na anajua kuna mtu anaweza chaguliwa na UDA. UDA ni kahwilubaro ya yellow. Ametengeneza tuhwilubaro ingine ya blue, ya red, ya green. Nyinyi mtakubali wheelbarrow? Hata hapa Murang'a amemwambia vijana wengine hapa watengeneza kahwilubaro, watu wajifiche hapo,
wanajifanya hawataki Kasongo, lakini ni watu ya Kasongo na ni wheelbarrow ya Kasongo. Mtakubali watu ya Murang'a? Jana aliita watu hapa Murang'a watu 5,000. Si ndio? Akawahonga na kila mtu shilingi 10,000. Hata watu ya Murang'a wapigie Kasongo kura. Inawezekana?
Tunakwambia zile pesa ulizopatia wale watu waliokuja State House jana, hizo pesa haziwezi kurudisha vijana wetu ulioua uhai. Wale wote uliokuwa nao State House ni wafuasi wa Rigiji. Na hata wakiwa hapo State House walikuwa wanasema one. Na walituambia, na asante sana Mheshimiwa Rigiji, Your Excellency, kwa sababu uliambia watu wetu wakiitiwa pesa na Kasongo, kwa sababu ni za wizi, waende wakule, lakini wasiuse nyoyo zao.
Nitauliza hivi, maisha ya mtoto wetu ni ya pesa ngapi? Maisha ya mtoto akiua mtoto ni pesa ngapi? Anatuambia sasa atatulipa.
Mwancho murigeria togoska bosio bono nigo egati ya barai abako hokoboko serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kurwa sensemo ya ukambani ritkoria rero nigo baenekia omuyega ukubwatesia ababwatani be sekta ya bodaboda kurwa sechinsemecho nigo baroro kuboria gochia sababwatani be sekta yo kwenekia unankubwatia bara machiko kero bagwikirania miroberio yabo ya kirari tukona bego kwenekia unankubwatirani bare nebyombe ao ebirache kubakonya kubwatirana kuimukirania amagimabo abotambe boigo nigo bamochiri getambo kero kigati yabara yabagendete komochio hobora iwa Kenya Kwanza asibono bate biro musikeruto aigweri baga indariye gwikirania magendro ao gochia sabananchi.
Kuna Tifa imeuliza maswali, wamesema mambo ni mbaya Kenya. Hata mimi sikuulizwa. Mbona mimi sikuulizwa? Kwa sababu kama hawa Tifa wangeniuliza, ningewaambia tuko na kitu inaitwa SHA ambayo inafanya kazi, ambayo rais wetu ameamua kufanya lile ambalo lilikuwa limepangwa kufanya na Kibaki.
Hawa wanafanya opinion ambazo ni fake tu. These opinion polls, some of them are clearly meant to drive a certain narrative. Na mimi niwaulize, opinion zote ziwahi fanywa Kenya zilikuwa zinaonyeshanga Tinga ndio ameongoza na hakuna mmoja ashaiongoza. President William Ruto ni mtu ya mashinani. The people who are most affected ni watu ambao ni watu wa chini zaidi. The rural setting. Watu ambao mko Nairobi mnafanya vitu zenu pale Nairobi. When will you come huku chini kwa ground? Mahali mambo ni different.
Endeni murejeste SACCOs. Mkuwe na SACCO na muangalie sana sana kuna wakora wanakuja kuiba huko akitumia bodaboda. Please usikubali industry yako iharibiwe kazi. Vile tunajua hivi, ukiona accident imekuwa kwa barabara, hakuna mtu anaweza amuka asubuhi kucause accident. Msikubali kama watu wa matatu wamegoga bodaboda yako, ita polisi tufuate sheria mpaka ulipwe.
Sababu watu wanasema nitafanya kazi na bodaboda, wakipata kiti hawafanyi. Saa hii sio wakati wa siasa. Saa hii ni wakati wa kushikilia watu wetu wa bodaboda. Rais anajua mumechukuliwa na kampuni tofauti, unalipa kila siku na uwezi maliza. Wengine hata nasikia wanakuja wanaiba hiyo bodaboda. Saa ile uko karibu kumaliza. Mpango mmeelezwa ati ni shilingi 180 kwa siku, na baada ya mwaka 1.5 hiyo bodaboda inakuwa yako.
Relations tunataka kufanya nini ndio tuweze kuseparate who are the realistic and honest bodaboda operators, so that we can be able to weed out criminals from the sector. It is not a punishment. We simply want professionalism in the way we operate our sector.
Toskabosyo mwancho morigereria abarai au niko bono basabirwe kwena kyabuna nkobeka bare emiroberio yokoria goikirania oborai obuya obubura konye amagendro abekira bananchi ande mono ase chinsemo cha mashinani gokwana kurwaso mochi wa Addis Ababa ANC ya Ethiopia mukonyi wo gavana bwe county ya Machakos Mheshimiwa Francis Mwangangi huyu ikirana ase gikaro kyariganwa ne kyombe kyabamo bwe borwango rwa Africa AU yokorigereria oborai oboke usoborai bwe kagori egeke niko bono atebire okubwaterana igati ya barai nabo igimbo kwene kyobora yobuya na gukora cheko konya amagendro wikase chinsemo chonsi.
Everything whether climate change, everything whether the leadership of the country, everything whether the leadership of our state or of our county, of our ward, largely depends on the quality and the focus of the leadership. So it was very important. We discussed a lot of challenges and proposed solutions to those challenges. And we were sent to go and make change. Change is led by a leader, and a leader who has a vision to organize his community, or rather the people he or she leads to where they are supposed to go as far as leadership and the development is concerned. Of interest was rural development, rural transformation, to curb rural-urban migration. It's very important for the African continent to devolve a lot of decision-making, what the leaders are supposed to do at the grassroots level, because that is where a lot of development is needed. If today we curb rural-urban migration, we will be solving most of the continent's problems. So we are getting out to go and change our continent through our countries, through the areas we are elected to represent.
Mwancho murigereria chidagika 34 chiabutokire iguru yensa AMO ya bono marakoba notwikira omwerio bwa mayakuru ensoko ensa AMO kugwakira mbya muna soko sangana intwe kurutoga chage twikira chinga kechiga nyuraiga negati yari turache gusanga senchira yobo ikirano nande gikoraga chinsa isato asobot kubwarero higotos kare gendra gotware marakoba ntoereru nakugendra kwegokya nimirobirio gendra ta sembeo yensoko TV nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi Brian Achaka nerorenge maiga yichi kamera na boigo Felistas Kabendi na director Zaki KA kurwase studio ya Kabere na bwene kiamari winechi bichango chara senchire ringia tomera na sembe.